BJP Meghalaya kalapan bana ba kadon kata ka jingtrang bani khon yak election shiteng samoy jong ka Shillong parliamentary seat bat shen kin saphai ka jing ai jingmot sha kin nongilam ba hakmat jong ka seng ban ai jing manjur abakren bekinong tho khobor unong ai kitin ka BJP uba Maria hom Kharkrang ulaong bakin nongilam ba hakmat ka seng kelarai bani khon yak ni election shiteng samoy habai dei bat khobor ba umantri ka sarkar jilla ba Sanbor sulai udei ubabit ban long kyrtong ka seng nak liang uba Kharkrang ulaong ba uba Sanbor undei kyrtong uba biang hynrei ka seng gala yok pediang kumba khandai ngut kiba pan tiket na ka seng bat ki thrang bani khun yak ni ke election chiteng samoy ka BJP kala kan tai ru bandon ukartong nyamon lang ha ka ni ke election MP nda ka baong ba kamdon kano ka jingakren halor kani habdeng ki seng san perthei ki be don lang hak sarkar MDA.
Just recently we have had a meeting of senior leaders, and one thing that we have agreed upon is that we should contest these elections, and we will also send a recommendation to our central leadership that we intend to contest the elections, and this is the kind of resolution that we have passed, and we believe that our central leadership will agree to it.
There also have been reports to these reports.
You see, Sanbor Shalai, he's a person who has proven himself in his constituency and outside his constituency also. We would be very happy to have him as a candidate, provided, of course, he agrees to it. It cannot be forced upon him. And apart from him, also there are, in fact, the last count that we had in the last meeting, there were about 9 applicants. So, and yes, if you ask me personally, Bah Sanbor will be a very good candidate. He'll be a very good candidate. But of course, we have to leave it to his choice whether he intends to contest or not. Okay. I don't see anything like that right now. In this particular election, I don't see anything. Neither we have approached the other NDA partners, neither have the other NDA partners approached us also for that. So I don't see any possibility of a common candidate, and I believe all political parties will be contesting and putting up their own candidates.